Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ecury, or the House of Ecury. Built in 1870, the house belonged, as the name implies, to the Ecury family, a well-known merchant family of Aruba consisting of patriarch Dundung Ecury, matriarch Annie Ernst, and 13 kids. Of this illustrious brood, lucky number 7 would become synonymous with duty, bravery, and equality for the Aruban people. This is your Slides Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick. Born on April 22, 1922, Jorge II Adalberto Ecury, affectionately known as Boy Ecury, was the 7th child of Dundung and Annie. It was obvious from an early age that Boy had a fighting spirit which would sometimes land him in trouble at home and at school. In 1937, young Boy, accompanied by his brother Nicky, decided to complete and further his studies in the Netherlands. By the time he finished the first length of his studies, in July of 1939, Austria and the Sudetenland had already been unified under Germany, with Poland falling in September of that same year. In early May of 1940, Rotterdam lay in ruins, marking the start of the German occupation of the Netherlands. Boy was 18 at the time and was first-hand witness to the discrimination and atrocities perpetrated by the Nazis. This prompted him to join the resistance. His tasks as a resistance fighter included monitoring Nazi movement and radioing in to the Allies, thus the US and England, conduct raids on Nazi depots and storage centers, disrupt resource transportation by way of derailment and blowing up bridges, protect and grant safe passage for downed US and English fighter pilots via the underground. Sadly, his tenure as a freedom fighter wouldn't last long. Being a devout Catholic, Boy would attend Mass in Rotterdam on the morning of November 5th, 1944. But little did he know that his piety would be his undoing. Unbeknownst to our hero, the leader of the resistance group had already reached a deal with the Nazis, the members of the resistance, in exchange for his life, thus sabotaging the entire movement and betraying Boy in the process. As Boy exited the church, he was recognized by German soldiers who swiftly arrested him and proceeded to use every form of information extraction, and yes, obviously I'm talking about torture, to get young Ecury to reveal the whereabouts of his remaining comrades. He stood fast and never broke, uttering these last words: "There's no room for traitors in my father's house." And with that, he sealed his fate. Jorge II Adalberto Ecury was executed by firing squad on November 6, 1944 in The Hague. It took almost 3 years for his body to come home, but when it did on April 25, 1947, he was buried with military honors. Our fallen soldier, Boy Ecury. The Ecury House is now home to the National Archaeological Museum of Aruba, which you can visit freely and learn about the pre-ceramic and pre-colonial era, as well as some extra details about the house and the Ecury family. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and websites are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Djis YouTube and click that notification bell for more Slides Night content. As always, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Slides Night tour guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick.